Quarter one has been a relatively positive start to the year, following on from a good end to 2015. We've seen an uptick in demand reported during quarter one. We're now at 1.66 million square feet, which is an improvement. Perversely, what we have seen is that supply has increased to 2.66 million square feet. Just a marginal increase, principally because we've seen 3 developments come through towards the end of the year that fall within our pipeline, or our current availability, should I say. The likes of 45 Cannon Street, Morgan Capital's building, Skanska's Monument building. The line between sort of traditional financial services and some of the fintech businesses and the TMT world is slightly blurred. Quarter one, we reported 37% take-up by the financial services sector, which is very positive given where we are with a referendum towards the end of June and some of the uncertainty surrounding that. I think the big benchmark deal for quarter two's stats will be whether Wells Fargo complete on the forward purchase of 33 Central. During quarter one, we have reported a slight uptick in rent to £70 a foot. This is from end of year, so end of 2015, we were reported at £68 a foot. The supply story is still very real in the city. We believe that the pressure through a constant demand but a shortening of supply is going to see that during the course of the year that pressure on rents is going to continue, and we forecast that we will end the year between £73.50 and £75 a foot. The outlook for the remainder of 2016, from a pure property perspective, I believe is much the same. As previously mentioned, we believe that rents we're going to continue to see some pressure on rents, and we're going to finish the year up on the start. There are obviously some key events that the market will deal with or is waiting on, such as the referendum. We have just short of 1 million square feet under offer. So assuming that transacts, we believe or are confident that quarter two's take-up is going to be broadly in line with quarter one. So positive outlook. Clearly there are some pressures, external pressures to the property market has to deal with, but property tends to lag the economy, and the supply story is still very, very relevant. So positive for 2016.